that is towards the north, south, east, west of a particular region, which route will be the best to reach to that particular place. Next, distance, transport route, means of transport and duration of field visit should be planned ahead. With the help of a teacher, students can also prepare a questionnaire, which is very important on a field visit. Going to the next point, we have selection of the study area. Geographical field visit is organized for a study of various elements. Example, physical landforms, river banks, dams, coastal areas, tourism sites, offices or museums related to geographical elements, villages, forest areas, etc. Elements should be selected after studying the local condition and necessary permission letters have to be obtained. For a field visit, you should carry a notebook, specimen questionnaire, pen, pencil, scale, tape, compass, a bag for collecting samples, maps, camera, if needed, etc. Below given a few of the images on a field visit. The first image shows the river banks. The second image on the screen shows the coastal areas. Next, we have the different kind of landforms. Mountain slopes, different agriculture carried on different mountains, or a hilly area. Next, we have images of dams. If we are on a visit of a dam, next, we have tourist sites for a field visit. Different temples, places, or religious sites. Next, what precautions should be taken during a field visit? It is very important to ensure safety of ourselves and even others during a field visit. Secondly, you should obey the instructions given by the teachers. You should not go to unknown remote places alone. During field visit, you should try to understand the local circumstances by conversing with local people. Know about their habits, what do they wear, what do they eat, how do they cook, what is their means of livelihood, how do they travel, etc. You should also ensure that you do not harm the environment in any way during your visit. You should always keep a first aid box with you for emergency circumstances. After a field visit, how do we write a report on the field visit? A field report should be written on the basis of information obtained after the visit is complete. You can use the following issues to make a report. Add photographs wherever necessary. You can write your report on the points such as give an introduction, that is to where you are going to visit, what is your purpose of visit, etc. Second, location map and route map that you are going to take. Third, the physiography of the region. Fourth, the climatic condition. The temperature, is it raining, is it sunny, or is it having a pleasant climate? Next, the population. Did you all see a dense population or a sparse population? Sixth point, were there any environmental problems? And if yes, what measures were taken? Next, land utilization. For what reason was the land utilized? Were there factories or was there agricultural land?